Whoa, I'm feeling quite sore today, and it's not just the 40,000 steps I've done over the last couple of days, but I did fall whilst I was using my Insta360 One X camera. This is what happened to my hand, and this is what happened to one of the lenses of my camera. Not good news. Stay tuned to find out what happened next. So I fell and I wrecked one of the lenses of my camera and maybe damaged the other one too. So what happens next? Well, it looks like it's going to be an expensive fall. Now, it's better than some cameras where if you fall and you wreck the camera, that's it, it's done. But 360 camera lenses are pretty big and pretty fragile, so they're pretty difficult to look after, and I clearly failed on this occasion. Now, the camera was busy doing a time lapse, but I managed to get hold of Insta360 Service Center through the app, which is fantastic. And this quick chat with Tina informed me that it was going to cost me $95 US to get one lens replaced and $161 US if both needed replacing. Ouch. Given that I paid about $700 for the device in the first place in New Zealand dollars, which is probably, I don't know, about $500 US. I guess it's kind of like a good deal, and it's better than having to buy a completely new camera. So, having also now shelled out $52 to get this shipped to Hong Kong, ouch, I'm going to be without my camera for, I don't know, maybe 3 horrible 4 weeks if I'm unlucky. So we'll just have to see what happens next, but this is going to be one mightily expensive fall. I'll let you know when I get it back. However, never fear, I've got plenty of footage to edit whilst it's gone, so I'll keep pumping out those videos, so don't forget to keep coming back for more, and some more Insta360 videos that I made earlier. So consider subscribing if you haven't already to make sure you don't miss out on any more, and also the update of my camera repair. All right, that's all for now. Thanks very much, and ouch. See you soon. Go well.